it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing the new iPad that came out for 2021, and I'm really excited. I did a video about this last year for the new iPad that came out last year in 2020, and I absolutely love it, but I wanted to try out the M1 chip and see the difference and everything like that. So I thought I would take you guys along with me for the unboxing because you guys did really like that video. If you guys do like this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, and with all that being said, let's get into the video. So first things first, I want to say thank you to all of you guys because I wouldn't be where I am today if it weren't for you, and I wouldn't be able to buy these products if it weren't for you. So first of all, thank you so much. I'm so appreciative of you, and I don't want that to go unnoticed. Second of all, I am doing a trade-in option, so I'm trading in my other iPad for this one just because I thought that that was kind of cool and it saves me money in the long run. So that's what I'm doing. And with all that being said, let's get into the video. All right, so let's unbox it. Oh my gosh. I always get so excited because I think it's so pretty. All right, so like I said, I got the iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch M1 chip, and I got it in the 128 gigabytes, third generation, and it's the Wi-Fi one. I wanted to get the Wi-Fi one just because I won't personally use the LET one, and it's a little cheaper, so that's why I did that. Let's unbox it. Most satisfying part. Okay, so of course we have the iPad. I did get it in space gray because personally I love space gray. I actually just got a new Apple Watch and I got it in rose gold and I love it, but I do like the space gray better, so I got the iPad in space gray. So as we know, it always comes with this little designed by Apple in California pamphlet. I feel like not many people use it, but I guess it would come in hand if you needed it. And of course we have the iconic stickers that they always give. I don't use them, but maybe some people do. If you guys use it, let me know down below because I'm curious. Then of course we have the little cube that we can unbox. Super satisfying, and this is what it looks like. This is the USB to, I don't remember what it's called, but this is like a different little cube than the ones that Apple used to use, which is kind of weird in my opinion, but I know why they're doing it, and I'm sure you guys do as well. And then of course I have the little wire here to connect into the cube to actually charge the iPad. So other than these two things and the pamphlet, that's everything that came in the box. I didn't get a case yet just because I forgot, but I'm definitely going to get one soon. I have to actually get one because my other iPad actually I never got a case for, and that probably wasn't a good idea at all. So this time I'm going to order one like right after I film this video. All right, so now we have the exciting part, the iPad. So we're going to unbox it. This is like the most satisfying part. All right, so we have the iPad. It's beautiful, very, very, very nice. And now I'm going to actually set it up. Like I said, I don't know the main difference between this one and the one I have, other than this one has the M1 chip and my other one does not. And that's kind of like what I wanted to test out and everything like that. So let's turn it on and see. Okay, I switched the angle back to a good angle because I didn't like that angle, but if I left it like this, you wouldn't be able to see me unboxing it. So that's why I did that. We're going to turn it on. I'm very excited. Beautiful. I'm like really excited about this. All right, so it's turning on and we are going to set it up. So it says hello, I'm going to swipe up and I'm going to select my language, which is English. Then it's asking me my country, which is the United States. So I'm going to scroll all the way down and click the United States. Now it's saying either do a quick start or set up manually. For the purpose of the video, I'm going to set it up manually and I'm going to choose a network. Mom, what's the Wi-Fi password? All right, I finally got into the Wi-Fi. I always forget the Wi-Fi password and it's always a struggle to figure it out. So sorry if the angle changed, but now I'm just hitting next and it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. I really wanted to film a video of me showing you guys how I use my iPad in the summer, how I use all my Apple products throughout the whole entire year, and also just how I use my iPad in a day. So let me know if you'd be interested in any of those videos because I'd love to film it for you guys. But now it just comes up and it says data and privacy. I'm just going to hit continue continue for now. Then it's asking me to do Face ID, which of course I'm going to do. So I'm going to do continue, get started, and I think I'm just supposed to move my head in a circle. I always feel like this part is weird because it's trying to get like weird angles of my face and I never know how to do it. So now I'm doing like an outer angle, I think, but it looks so weird. And sometimes it's like hard for me to actually figure it out, but that was actually really easy today. Face ID is now set up. And now I'm going to create a password. I'm just going to do an easy one. So now that is done. I am almost done, I think. So now it's asking me for my apps and data. It's asking if I want to restore it from iCloud. I'm just gonna say don't transfer apps and data just because I personally like downloading them myself. Now it's asking me for my Apple ID. I'm going to put that in really quick. I always find it like so weird like typing on this big iPad because I'm so used to typing on my phone. The main purpose I use my iPad is either for school to take notes or honestly for Procreate. Procreate is like one of my favorite things ever to use. So that's what I use it a lot for, just because I love doodling and making my thumbnails on there. Let's see if I remember my password because that would be surprising. All right, I remembered. Now it's just going over the terms and conditions. So I'm just gonna hit agree. And now it says again, it may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. So I'm just waiting for this to actually set up. I can do a what's on my iPad if you guys wanted me to. Let me know down below for that as well. Enter the password you use to unlock your MacBook. Well, that's a little weird. I wonder why. I wonder why it's asking me that. I never saw an iPad ask that before, but it is asking for my MacBook password. Okay, it worked. So express settings. So I'm just going to hit continue. Now it says keep your iPad up to date, get the latest features, security, and improvements by Apple, updating your iOS automatically. You'll receive a notification. I'm going to hit continue just for it to stay up to date and everything like that with security and everything because that's really important. Now it says Apple Pay. I'm just going to click set up later in settings. Now I really don't know what this is. It's called the iCloud keychain. I never use it though. Now we're asking Siri, so let's do it. Improve Siri and dictation. Not now. Screen time, continue. Now it's asking for app analytics. I'm just going to hit don't share for now. True tone display. See without true tone display. So without true tone display, it kind of looks a little blue in person, and then with it, it looks kind of normal. So I'm just gonna hit continue. Now it's asking me for the appearance. So do I want it to be dark or do I want it to be in light mode? I'm going to leave it in light mode for now. And now we are welcome to iPad. I'm not sure if you guys can see that clearly, but so this is what it looks like. I'm very excited. I do have to customize it, but I think I'm gonna make a whole nother video on that. So let me know if you guys do wanna see it. But again, this is what the iPad looks like. I'm really excited and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what type of Apple product is your favorite, or if you have the new iPad, how you like it. With all that being said, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.